Welcome, welcome, my dear friends. I welcome you all. Welcome, welcome. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in this interesting video, Ayurvedic Medicinal Plants Part 4. Yes, have you seen the Part 1, Part 2, Part 3? No? Then please see all the parts. And then after, you will also get part 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every part in this Ayurvedic medicinal plant series is very important because these Ayurvedic medicinal plants, the doctors can use them in practice for very useful. And also, even the common man, the single herbal tablets are available. They can be used as a food supplement. Sometimes they can also be used as a home remedy, but with a restricted, what you can say, the period. You can try for 1 or 2 days, 3 days, and in side by side, you can also take the consultation of the respective your family physician. So, my dear friends, myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD also in Ayurvedic physiology. My WhatsApp number is 9226810630. Please make a snapshot. Okay. This video is very useful for medical practice. This is part 4. Please see all the parts. This is very useful for second year BAMS students for the subject Dravya Guna Vijnana Ayurvedic Herbology for theory purpose as well as for the spotting purpose. Many times from the medicinal, what you can say, the herbal garden of each college, the technical staff, they pick up all the plants and some species are kept in front of the students, identify. So the leaves are very important. Leaves are very important for the identification purpose of medicinal plant. That's why all moreover photographs are either of the specimen or of the fresh plants from Ayurvedic medicinal herbal garden. Okay, we will discuss 7 plants in this particular part for Punarnava, Patala, Arjun, Amr, Kokam. Yes, Kokam Sarbat from summer season. You know, everybody knows Krishna Dhattur and Shiri. Okay, this is Punarnava. On the ground is not a big tree, is on the ground. Can you understand? It's on the ground. Very, what you can say, I have described this, but see the picture, how it is there. Borhavia diffusa, Latin name. Borhavia diffusa, whale, creeper in English. Marathi, whale, spread on the ground, called as, Punarnava is called as Shothagni, Shoth edema, local edema or all over edema. In spite of Lasix, everybody, doctor, teachers, students, they must use Punarnava as a diuretic and also to reduce the edema. Roots are used. Punarnava Sav is available in the market for the edema. The edema can be because of heart problem, kidney problem, or the liver problem. Punarnava, as the name suggests, Punar, Punar means again, Nava means new. So new cells will come up. Regeneration will be there. So whenever you find the organ is damaged, tissue is damaged, cells are damaged, you must use Punarnava in cardiac failure, liver failure, kidney failure, failing, cells are not regenerating properly. So Punarnava. Again and again, new cells will come up with Punarnava. Rakta Punarnava and Shweta Punarnava. Rakta is a red, but that is Shita Virya. Very interesting. Rakta Punarnava, Shita Virya. But Shweta Punarnava, Ushna Virya. Very interesting. Students should remember Rakta is a Shita and Shweta Punarnava is Ushna, opposite. Looking very miraculous because we feel that Rakta is like hot. But no, Rakta Punarnava is the Shita Virya, Shweta Punarnava is Ushna Virya. Rasavirya Vipak, Tikta Katu, Bitter and pungent is ras. Katu is a pungent vipak and shita is a virya. Rakta punarnava. Shweta punarnava. Katu kashaya tikta. Katu pungent. Kashaya astringent. Tikta bitter. Sanskrit names, English translation. Sanskrit names, English translation. You must remember, okay? Punarnava, close up, close up. Can you see the creeper? Whale creeper, okay? Can you see the typical shape of the leaves? A creeping, perennial, much branched herb with stout, what you can say, the fusi from the roots, stem, branches, divaricate, stem, purplish and thickened at nodes. Leaves are opposite, oblique, ovate or suborbicular, rounded, entire. Margins are slightly pinkish, wavy. Margins are wavy. Lower surface with small white scales and base is rounded. Carefully look these morphological features of the plants when you students want to identify the plants during the practical examination of Dravya Guna Vijnana. Okay. Punarnava, leaves opposite, oblique and ovate. Opposite, oblique, ovate. Okay. Patala, next plant. Patala, next plant. Leaves are 30 to 40 centimeter long. Imparipinnate and opposite. Imparipinnate and opposite. Morphology of the leaves, identification is very important. Patala. Stereospermum suveolens. Platinum, very complicated. Roots are used. Patala roots. Patala is one of the content of Bruhat Dashamula. Bruhat, you know the Dashamula, Bruhat Panchamula and Laghu Panchamula, total 10 roots. 10 roots. Shaliparni, Prishnaparni, Bruhati, Kantakari, Gokshur. Shaliparni, Prishnaparni, Bruhati, Kantakari, Gokshur. So these are the different names of the Dashamula. Okay. Then Dashamularishta is available, which is the best analgesic and anti-inflammatory. Every arthritis patient should have the Dashamularishta at him home. It may be rheumatic fever, it may be rheumatoid arthritis, it may be osteoarthritis. Very good results. 4 TSF with equal amount of water 2 times in a day after food. Tikta Katukashaya, Tikta Katukashaya. Test. Vipak is Katu and Virya is hot. Virya is hot. Patala. Morphological characteristics. It is a large deciduous tree, often buttressed up to 20 meter in height. Leaves are 30 to 40 centimeter long, imparipinnate opposite. Leaflets are 5 to 11 in number, purple when young, and petiole is short. Patala. Can you see? Patala. Patala, close up, long leaves, huh? Long leaves, Patala. Arjuna, next plant, Arjuna. Leaves are sub-opposite, ovate or oblong, ovate, 8 to 20 centimeter long. This is also long and deciduous during the cold season. Arjuna, Terminalia Arjuna. So easy name, Terminalia Arjuna. Tree, big tree is there. Sal, that is skin, is white from outside, but antara sala is red. Inner side is red in color. Identification. At the base of leaf, from the back side, there are 2 nodes, granthi. 2 nodes you can see. Arjuna is a kashaya, astringent in ras. Katu is a vipak, that is pungent, and shita is a virya. Arjuna Arishta is the best heart tonic. Arjuna Arishta 4 TSF with equal amount of water after lunch, after dinner, best heart tonic. Arjun is a heart tonic for heart. Angina pectoris, congestive cardiac failure, left ventricular hypertrophy. Arjuna. Arjuna leaves. Identification. Arjuna morphological characteristics. Tibulic myrobalan is a large tree with umbrella shaped crown and crowned branches growing up to 25 meter in height, very height, with a bowl girth of 2.5 meters. Stem bark is dark brown. Leaves are sub-opposite, ovate or oblong, ovate, 8 to 20 centimeter long and deciduous during the cold season. The species are identified by dark brown bark, exfoliating in irregular woody scales, and by the presence of pair of large glands at the top of the petiole. Okay. Yes, you can see this. Two glands over here. Can you see? These are glands. Okay. These are mentioned as identification mark from the back side. Can you see? Can you see two glands? Don't forget this. This is one. This is two. Can you see? Don't forget. Look back. Look back of the Arjuna leaves. Amra. Mango. Yes. Watering in the mouth. Amras. Amra. Mangifera indica is a Latin name. Delicate or tender leaves. Koli pane in Marathi. Koli pana. Yes, just very young, tender leaves. Pancha Pallava. Pancha Pallava has this particular formulation has this amra leaves, but very young leaves. Okay. Decoction is anti-emetic. It can be controlled by amra. Fruits, when you eat the mango, is bruhana, strengthening, weight gaining, paustika, nutritious for the maus dhatu vardhak. Muscles are developed. Fruit, apakva, kairi, raw mango is amla ushna, rasa vipak virya, amla sour, amla vipak and ushna virya. Remember, ushna hot. Pakwa fur as well. Mango fruit is also madhura, sweet in taste, madhura vipak, loose motion, stools will be normal, but again ushna. Again ushna. If you eat mango more and more and more, you can develop acidity. Mango rus juice, lot of every day, 1-2 cup, dangerous. It is Ushnavirya. Then Amras tea, inner side. Amras tea is a Kashaya, Katu and Shitavirya. Amras tea is used in Pushanugachurna. Pushanugachurna in the ladies' feminine problems. Feminine problems like leukorrhea, menorrhagia, Pushanugachurna is the best. Powder is available in the market. Pushanugachurna. Amra leaves. We decorate when the function is there. Satyanarayana Puja, marriage ceremony. Every ceremony we require Amra leaves. Okay. Mango tree, a large tree, valued mainly for its fruits, both green and ripe, kairi and amba. Approximately 210 varieties of mango have been reported. It can grow up to 50 to 30 meters. 49 to 98 maximum tall. The leaves of the tree are shiny and dark green. They are either elliptical or lanceolate with long petioles and a leathery texture. Move the hand, leathery texture of the leaves, identification. Kokam, Vrukshamla, another name Sanskrit, Vrukshamla. Kokam Sarbat. Yes, in the Grishma Rutu, summer season, Kokam Garcinia indica. Garcinia indica, Latin name. Big tree. Leaves are thick and soft. Thick and soft. Kokam. Dry fruit, anti-pitta. Kokam Sarbat is best as an antacid in Ayurveda. Kokam Sarbat is the best antacid. Remember. Amla Kashaya test. Madhura Vipak and Shita Virya. Thanda, cool. Hot flushes in the menopause. Burning eyes, burning hands and feet, burning whole of the body. What you take? You should take Kokam Sarbat. Okay, Kokam juice. Kokam is a slender, evergreen tree with dropping branches. Leaves ovate or oblong, lanceolate 6 to 8 centimeter long and 2.5 to 3 centimeter broad, dark green above and what is called pall beneath. Okay. Fruits are globose or spherical, 2.5 to 3.5 centimeter in diameter, dark purple when ripe. Each fruit contains 5 to 8 large seeds. Kokam, soft and thick. Leaves identification. Kokam, leaves identification. Rukshamla. Krishna Dhattura. Can you say this stem? This is Krishna means black. Krishna means black. This is, you just observe this, my cursor. This is black. Can you see? This is black. Identification mark. Krishna Dhattura. Dhattura metalline, Latin name. This variety is of medical use and not white. White Dhattur is not useful. Remember, write down. White Dhattur, no use. Krishna Dhattur is medicinal. Krishna Dhattur is medicinal. Yes, this is Dr. Deshpande's style to make it hamper on the student's mind and they will confirm the diagnosis found on the side of the roads. So date, that means the petiole or the branches are black. Kanakasav available in the market. Kanaka means Dhattur. Kanaka means Dhotra. Kanakasav is available in the market 4 teaspoons with equal amount of water after lunch, after dinner, anti-cough. If there is a lot of cough, but there should be sputum, white, yellow, green color, bronchiectasis. There should be thick cough. If there is a dry cough, don't use Kanakaso. Don't use, I warn you. When there is a dry cough, don't use Kanakaso. Kanakaso is only for wet cough, W-E-T, cough with expectoration, then only Kanakaso. Very clear. Asthma, no dry variety, wet variety. Or bronchitis, bronchiectasis, Tiktakatu, Ras. Katu, pungent, Vipak, and Ushnavir, Kapha, Gna, anti-Kapha. Dhattur species are herbaceous, leafy annuals, and short-lived perennials which can reach up to 2 meter. Not big, 2 meter in height. The leaves are alternate, 10 to 20 centimeter long and 5 to 18 centimeter broad with a lobed or toothed margin. Remember, the flowers are erect on spreading trumpet-shaped 5 to 20 centimeter long and 4 to 12 centimeter broad at the mouth. Colors vary from white to yellow, pink and pale purple. The fruit is a spiny capsule, 4 to 10 centimeter long and 2 to 6 centimeter broad, splitting open when ripe to release the numerous seeds. Dhattur, we are talking about Dhattur. Krishna Dhattur. Can you see? Can you see this stem? Black. Identification. Shirish. Next plant is a Shirish, Vriksha, big tree. Albizia lebec. Latin name, Albizia lebec, big tree. Kandatvak, skin, best as a Vishagna. Shirish is best as a Vishagna. It removes the toxins, poisonous, anti-poisonous, anti-toxic Shirish. And therefore, this particular plant has a Kashaya Tikta, astringent and bitter. Bitter is always Amapachak. It removes the toxins. Tikta rasa. Katu Vipak and Shita Virya. So it takes care of Pitta on the skin. Whenever your blood is impure with the toxin, there is an increase of Pitta on the skin level. Rakta and Pitta Prakop is there at the skin level. You can apply Dashangalep. Dashangalep contains 10 ingredients, among which is a Shirish is one of the important. Sting bite is there. Creature has dunk maranavan. In Marathi it is called as a dunk. Bite is there. Mosquito bite, honeybee bite, scorpion bite, any bite from the poisonous creature, then you can apply the Dashangalep. It will absorb the toxin and give the cooling effect, anti-inflammatory, analgesic. Whenever there is a poison in the skin level, the Dashangalep, it is available in the market. Bring it at home, keep it at your home. The Dashangalep, which contains Shirish. Can you see the Shirish? Big tree, Shirish. It is a tree growing height of 18 to 30 meter tall with a trunk, very big trunk, 50 centimeter to 1 meter in diameter. The leaves are bipinnate, 7.5 to 15 centimeter long. Identification, morphology, with 1 to 4 pairs of pinnate, each pinna with 6 to 18 leaflets. Okay, the flowers are white with numerous 2.5 to 3 centimeter long stems and very fragrant. This fruit is a pod 15 to 30 centimeter long. Fruit is a pod, sheng, and 2.5 centimeter broad, containing 6 to 12 seeds. Can you see the pod? Can you see pod? This is pod. Sheng in Marathi, pod, Shirish. Next, Shirish, big tree, Shirish. Identification, see the pods and also the leaves, Shirish. So, my dear friends, this is all about Ayurvedic medicines part 4. Part 4. Please, my dear friends, please see all the parts. All the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayurvedic medicinal plants at Ayurveda Academy channel of Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. That is myself. But my dear friends, whatever I tell you the uses, these are just supportive with the understanding of your family physician. कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथाकाल वैद्यकीय सलाह लेना बहुत ही जरूरत है, ऐसे प्रोफेसर देशपांडे का हमेशा कहना है, हमेशा, फॉर ईच वीडियो, whether I say or whether I don't say, but this is what is taken into granted. Okay, then do you want advice for any health problem? WhatsApp 9226810630. Dear students and doctors, do you want any video on specific topic? We make the paid videos also. WhatsApp me 9226810630. My dear friends, please share this video, like this video, and ask all of your friends to subscribe my YouTube channel to support my genuine efforts in the direction of Ayurveda and health related everything on my Ayurveda Academy channel. Thank you very much. Take care. I wish you all the best for everybody. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. All the best to you.